Welcome to the first question of the Shadow generated 2018 paper 1. It says, given that x is small and measured in radians, use the small angle approximations. And they've been given to us, they are in the formula booklet. So sine of 3x should be approximately equal to 3x, that means then. And cos of 2x is approximately equal to 1 minus 2x all squared over 2, which is about what? Well, that's 1 minus 4x squared over 2, or 1 minus 2x squared. So if we put those results in now, we will get 3x plus 2 lots of 1 minus 2x squared minus 2 all over x, which becomes 3x plus 2 minus 4x squared minus 2 all over x. The plus 2 and the minus 2 should then cancel. So when we have 3x minus 4x squared over x, well, let's just read the rest of the question. An approximate value. So this is one of those cases where I'm going to be left with 3 minus 4x, and as x tends towards 0, because it's very small, the final value will be just 3. So that's how we could answer our first question from our shadow paper.